Also, here is one more additional step that you can be doing for your image. Either you can be selecting all layers and merging them down or converting them into a smart object, then applying maybe camera raw filter and applying maybe some creative presets or vignette, or instead you can be applying a lot for adding some nice touch to your image. So let me do that. Make sure you are on top of your layers, then selecting color lookup and selecting from any of these slots in here. Probably I like that one for that image. Now that's maybe too strong, we can be toning that down a bit, cranking that down maybe all the way to 30% or something like that. You can be checking that one on and off. As you can see, it's looking amazing, guys. And it's adding that professional look to your image, and it's also blending all your retouching layers together, adding that theme or that atmosphere to your image. And you can be checking your original image as usual, scrolling down. You can be pressing Alt or Option key to hide everything except that layer, and also to decide whether you like that lot or you would like to apply another one. Maybe you want to crank that one a bit down or increase it. That's totally up to your eyes and your own taste.